What do you want?
Look what I got, Ma.
What you got there?
Look.
What did you do that for? I would not be coming to your house.
I know you're allergic. I got a cat.
Why?
Because I wanted it.
Yeah. You sure you're not allergic to cats?
I'm not.
How you know?
I had this cat for 4 months now.
Where you find that at?
It found me.
All right, Wonderland. Hi, kitty, kitty.
Yep.
What's your cat name?
Mango Light.